Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Photoshop for free on your PC or laptop using Adobe's official website. So this is helpful if you want to try Photoshop before paying for a subscription. So to begin, open your web browser and search for Adobe Photoshop. And from the search results, select the official Adobe website, choose your country if needed, and then click the Start Free Trial button. Next, choose the plan that works best for you. Select the individual option if you're using Photoshop on your own device, or choose the business option if you need it for multiple users. And after selecting your plan, click Continue. Now, enter your email address and complete the required account and payment information. And remember that Adobe may automatically charge you after the free trial ends, so cancel the subscription before the renewal date if you do not want to continue. And once the sign up process is complete, create a password for your Adobe account, and after that, download and install the Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop app. And when the installation is finished, open Creative Cloud and sign in using the same email address. And finally, go to the Apps section and find Adobe Photoshop and click Install. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.